guys, it is Jana, and today we are going to be doing, I'm just going to do a how to make regular slime with contact lens solution method. Sorry, I have the hiccups. But yeah, so the things you're going to be needing is Elmer's glue or any other glue. I have a gallon, I got it at Walmart, or I also got it at Michael's. Sorry, I have the hiccups. You are also going to be needing a bowl and spoon to mix with, baking soda, and contact lens solution. This is not the exact, but this is how you do it. So, yeah. So, you see my bowl. It's messy like always, you know. Well, let's just get to it. So, the first thing you're going to be needing is glue. I'm just going to try and open this. There we go. I have a whole, whoa guys, whoa, look at that. I should probably wash it out. That is so cool, guys. This is like dry glue. It looks so clear. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, anyways. I have a hole in this. Well, who cares? But we're just going to add our glue. You could probably add about, I'm just going to tell you the measurements, but you're just going to add like a cup of glue. You can estimate if you want. And guys, oh sorry guys, I have no idea where my dye is. Okay, phew! Dye is optional, but when I was getting the stuff, I put the dye in my bowl. So I was like, I just put the dye in the glue or whatever. But I'm just gonna wipe that off. Okay, so food dye is optional. You can use paint, but it's better when you use food dye because it's more liquid and paint's really thick, so it can sort of affect your slime sometimes. But you can use paint. Okay, let's mix that up. I'm trying to look for a pretty dark green. And guys, before I get ahead of myself, meet my little dude, Fred. I got him and he is going to be our friend. So, he's going to be in lots of our videos. And yeah, his name's Fred and he's really cute. Just look at him. Everyone say hi, Fred. Fred will watch. Okay, so we're just going to mix this all up. I might actually want to keep this little minty green. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to take some, here, first let me put the lid back on my glue. Okay, so first we're going to take some baking soda and just put a little bit in your hand, just a tiny bit though. You're not gonna add all of this. You're just gonna take some, sprinkle it on top, not a lot, just sprinkle it. And then you can just put that on the floor, no one will see. And then you're going to take your contact lens solution and add it to your bowl. I like to start out with a lot just because you would have to keep adding the contact lens solution over and over again. But I just like to add it all. Yes, it's probably going to do this, but that doesn't mean that it's messed up. You're just going to keep like mixing and mixing. Probably tell it's already getting a little thick. So Fred can see. Right, Fred? Is that right? No? Not right? Okay. Yes. Yes. I am right. Okay. You can see it's sort of clumping up. That's more contact lens solution. And you do not need to add a lot of baking soda unless you want like a very hard slime which is not stretchy at all. So yeah, you would probably want the contact lens solution. You really don't need a amount of that because you sort of just go until it's not sticky for you. And the baking soda, you need just a sprinkle with your finger, not like a big one, but like just a tiny bit, and sprinkle it on top. Because if you don't, it's gonna be very chunky and not good. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda. But still, I'm not gonna add a lot. I'm just gonna sprinkle it. So basically, I bet you can stir with one hand. So you can sort of just stir. You can see it's getting chunky. Then you can add some more contact lens solution, and then a little bit more sprinkles of baking soda. Are you guys so excited? Because in 3 months, it's going to be a year of YouTube, and I have something special coming up. So stay tuned in 3 months. Then I'm just going to add all of that. Keep doing this method over and over again until you're getting it. What to do is add contact lens solution a lot, and then take some baking soda and add some, not all of it though. Now you can see it's chunking up into slime. And guys, thank you for all your support on my slime song. If you haven't checked that out, go check it out because it is amazing. And yeah, you guys seem to like that. So give a like in this video, and so we can maybe have another slime song. You can also subscribe. As you can see, it's chunking up. You don't really need to add any more baking soda, so just add some contact lens solution and keep doing this until it's starting to come off the bowl. It's getting very chunky, as you can see. You can start touching it. And you're allowed to add any glitter, and you can add paint. It's just I'd rather you use food dye, and you don't have to add any color at all. It's just I am because I have some, and I just want to. You can sort of start touching it to see how it is. Then once it starts doing this, you're gonna add a little bit of contact lens solution to it. And take it out of the bowl, right, Frank? Or Frank, what was his name? Fred. Fred, there you go, yes. Fred says yes. Frank, where did that come from? Who knew? Okay, and now you can see it's really coming off. So you're just gonna wanna take that off. Fred's gonna have to go because he'll get sticked on to the slime. And I don't think Fred wants that to happen to him. Okay, Fred, go over here. And then you can sort of just start kneading. If you don't know what kneading means, it's just basically playing with the slime like I'm doing to make it not sticky. Once you get it out of the bowl, you're gonna wanna knead it like this, and then you're gonna keep adding contact lens solution until it's the right non-sticky for you. You're not going to want to add any more baking soda unless you want to get a very thick slime that is not going to be that stretchy. You can add baking soda, but you might want to add it with some water, but I'd say not to, just so your slime will be good. So my slime is really good. I really like it. If you don't want it to be that clicky and all and glossy, all you have to do is add some soap, some thick soap. Or no, you probably don't want to add soap, but like add some shampoo and then add a little bit of baking soda and it'll be a little bit better. But yeah, this is a very easy recipe. If you want me to do a no glue slime recipe, please tell me in the comments below. Here comes the ASMR. So guys, if you're wondering what the shampoo and the baking soda does to your slime, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Oh gosh, I just got some of that dry slime in there. Well, I'm just going to add some. This is 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. It really doesn't matter. You can add conditioner, but I have 2-in-1, but this is basically shampoo. It's clear, so clear slime. So you can sort of get that thing on. Oh gosh. Okay. I think there's a hole at the bottom of my slime because there is. Okay. There's like a. Okay guys, there's a hole in my slime, but I don't know where. But anyways, just gonna add some of that on, and then we're just gonna mix it all in. It might get a little bit stringy like mine is, but you just gotta mix it all in. And it doesn't have to be the Suave Kids that I have, it can be anyone. It might get a little bit sticky, but you just have to handle it quick. So there it is. It's a little bit less sticky, and it also isn't that glossy, and it is a regular slime. The shampoo and the shampoo was completely optional, but I just did that. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and make sure to subscribe and comment any suggestions that I should do. In my next video, I will probably do a glossy or jiggly slime, or I might do how to make slime without any glue. So you guys can choose in the comments below which one I should do. So I'm going to give you a challenge. In the next 5 seconds, you should be subscribed, and you should have commented what you did, like the challenge that I'm gonna do, or the recipe. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, do hashtag I am amazing. And yeah, if you didn't, that is okay. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.